I'm Statton. I am from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I've built my truck that I've had for over 7 years now, Sully, for SEMA 2019 with RBP, part of the Builder's Challenge. It's featured 12-inch PMF suspension with FOA coilovers, 28x14 RBP forged Uzis on 40-inch tires. I've got the RBP grill, D-rings, minor other things. I applied for the Builder's Challenge. I was selected to be a part of it. At first I was skeptical because I wasn't for sure if I was ready to do Vegas yet, but it's been a really easy transition. RBP is very easy to communicate with. Products are amazing. I experience flawless products, no issues. Great company to work with. I highly recommend.